CuClass, bringing the classroom beyond the meeting room. Remote teaching and learning has become the new normal outside the physical classroom. With this innovative approach, keeping virtual classrooms lively and engaging is key to effective learning. An easy-to-use online platform allows users to experience the advantages of seamless teaching and learning with modern-day technology. Therefore, it is essential for educational institutions to choose one that is highly professional, stable, and user-friendly. The CuClass interactive online classroom requires no download, no installation, runs on multi-platforms. It is compatible with your PC, mobile phones, tablets, and other devices to accommodate a wide range of teaching scenarios. The abundant array of virtual teaching tools and interactive functions not only recreates the ideal classroom environment for teachers, on the other hand, students will have more opportunities to share and participate in group learning. The feature highlights of CuClass are private and secure online courses, designated course codes, encrypted course-related messages, one click to join, copyright protection, custom watermarks, video playbacks, interactive teaching and learning, live streaming online courses, online file sharing, online interactive whiteboard, online collaborative editing, desktop sharing, video sharing, real-time quizzes, instant classroom chat, online class participation monitoring, class management, raise hands to speak mode, discussion mode, presenter mode, one click to mute all. CuClass offers various online learning options. Students may choose to pre-book a course, watch recorded videos, or attend live streaming online courses and seminars. CuClass can support one-on-one small class sizes to large groups that may involve millions of concurrent participants online due to its low latency, jam-resistant, zero blank screen stable connection qualities. CuClass also provides private cloud services to help schools or businesses launch online teaching and training effectively. CuClass brings the classroom beyond the meeting room. We make it possible for virtual and physical class sessions to be delivered in sync, reinventing a dynamic, integrated, and brand new style of teaching. CuClass, reconnect with your motivations to learn.